Welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. With a wealth of experience in business development, strategy, and entrepreneurship, I am here to guide you through the challenging landscape of business growth and success. Today, we are going to delve into the crucial aspect of business growth, effective lead management. We will cover key strategies, tools, and trends that can boost your sales conversation rates. So, let's get started.
1. Understanding the basics of lead management. Lead management is the process of tracking and managing prospective customers or leads. It plays a crucial role in the sales process, helping businesses identify, engage, and convert leads into paying customers. Understanding lead management is fundamental to driving business growth. 2. Importance of effective lead management in business growth. Effective lead management is vital for business growth. It helps you focus your efforts on high-quality leads, personalize your engagement, nurture your relationships, and ultimately, increase your conversion rates. In essence, it boosts the efficiency and effectiveness of your sales process. 3. How lead management software can enhance your sales strategy. Lead management software can significantly enhance your sales strategy. It centralizes all lead information, tracks interactions, scores leads, and automates various tasks. This helps your sales team focus on high-quality leads and improves conversion rates. 4. Implementing a lead management system. Implementing a lead management system involves several steps, from choosing the right software to setting up lead capture, scoring, and nurturing strategies. It's about creating a systematic process that aligns with your business goals and customer journey. 5. Top 5 lead management tools to boost your business. There are numerous lead management tools out there that can help streamline your process. Some popular options include Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho CRM, and Marketo. Each tool has its unique features, so choose one that best fits your business needs. 6. Lead management best practices for a successful sales funnel. Several best practices can enhance your lead management. These include streamlining lead capture, scoring your leads, nurturing your leads, aligning your marketing and sales, leveraging technology, and analyzing and improving your process regularly. 7. The role of CRM in streamlining lead management. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, plays a vital role in lead management. It centralizes lead information, tracks lead interactions, scores leads, and integrates with marketing tools. Essentially, it streamlines and enhances your lead management process. 8. Analyzing the impact of lead management on sales conversion rates. Lead management has a direct impact on sales conversion rates. By identifying and focusing on high-quality leads, personalizing engagement, nurturing leads, and aligning sales and marketing, you can significantly boost your conversion rates. 9. Case study: the transformational power of effective lead management. Consider the case of Company X, which saw a significant increase in sales conversion rates after overhauling their lead management process. They implemented a CRM, prioritized high-quality leads, nurtured leads, and aligned their marketing and sales teams. This transformation shows the power of effective lead management. 10. Lead management: future trends and predictions for 2024 and beyond. The future of lead management is set to be shaped by advanced technologies, data, personalization, and a unified customer view. Businesses need to stay abreast of these trends to continue to manage their leads effectively and boost conversion rates. Effective lead management is more than just a strategy, it's a fundamental pillar of successful businesses. It's about identifying the right leads, engaging with them personally, nurturing them through their journey, and continuously improving the process. The future of lead management is set to be even more dynamic and exciting, and adapting to these changes will be crucial for success. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and tips to help you grow your business. Thank you for watching. Zero. Remember, as your business coach, I am here to help guide you on your business journey. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Until next time, this is Thamizharasu, signing off.